In this video, we are going to see what are the options the JMS connector provides, what are the operations we can perform using JMS connector. So you can click on JMS. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sessions. Okay, so let's start first with publish. Publish is used to publish any data on the uh, on the queue or a topic or any JMS broker we are using. It's only used to publish the message. So let's review the publish operation here. Uh, so first of all, the name, you need to set the name. Then the settings, we have already discussed settings in another video. I will just go ahead and briefly show you them. These are the configuration. We just need to specify the jar for this. KahaDB and broker, they are just for in-memory and persistent. We'll see in later in this video. And then username and password. If we have some factory side configuration, we can add. And encoding, we have already discussed those. We have already discussed consumer here. Consumer, who's going to consume our message. The producer, like who is publishing the message. We have already discussed them in the previous video. Let us go back. Uh, here. So if you see destination, we need to specify a destination. We have to specify destination type, which is a destination type. Then if you want to send a correlation ID or not, then what body to be sent here. So you specify that what body are you sending here. Then you can specify a JMS type. This is a header in your message. Then you can also specify a correlation ID, where to start from the correlation ID. Content type, you can specify content type. It's just showing that you can type like application JSON or something. Send encoding, yes, you want to send encoding here, you can set it to false empty expression. You can set an encoding as well. If you want to any reply or something, if you don't want to reply, you can select none. If you want to reply, then add it in line, and you can just add the destination name or queue name or expression or B reference. If you want something, you can also I'm doing nothing like where you reply to is another one of the attribute of the message you are publishing to a JMS queue. So it is specified where you want to reply if the message is acknowledged, right? So I have clicked none, so I don't want to reply it anywhere. You can specify some user defined properties. Then there is an option for JMSX properties. What are JMSX properties? They are some standard properties for a JMS message. So you can add it in line as well. There are several properties and you can edit those. Or you can also use any expression or bean reference to set those properties. Okay, so going scrolling down, we have publish configuration. If you want to set persistent delivery, we can set it here. If we want to set a priority number for our message, we can set here. How long do we we want our message to live in the queue? We can set here, and also we can set unit for that. Do we want to send a message ID? It's empty, we can set that. If you want to disable timestamp, we can set that. Delivery delay, if you want to add some delivery delay, we can add that too. And again the unit as well. Going to advanced thing, we have transactions. So transaction is about to like how are we going to join the transactions. There are several options. Always join if possible, not supported. And then there's a reconnection strategy. We can add an error mapping. We can add some metadata, some notes which are like comments, and we can also go to help to read about those documentation.